Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers plus like high protein. So I've kind of been doing both because I really noticed that with just doing Weight Watchers, I'm not eating enough calories, and I really need to like eat more calories, like good calories and good things to fuel my body, and I wasn't. So I lost a little bit of weight at the beginning and then I just kind of plateaued. So I'm still kind of sticking to that and having like the zero foods and all that stuff, but making sure I'm really watching my protein intake and all that. So I'm using MyFitnessPal as well. So I'm kind of doing Weight Watchers slash high protein slash macro-ish counting. So we have some errands to run. I gotta drop Leighton at camp. Austin and I have a few errands to run. So I will eat breakfast when I get back, but I am making a protein coffee. I have been working on my water all morning. I use my Stok iced coffee, a little splash of my creamer, and a scoop of pure protein powder. So I put that in the Ninja Bullet, or whatever it's called, and then I will have that. So when I get home, I will share with you guys what I'm gonna have. I may have like a breakfast, like slash brunch kind of thing. Say good morning. Good morning. But I haven't decided yet. I'll see what I feel like when I get home. But I will see you guys in a little bit. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Hello friends, we are back from running our errands, taking Leighton to camp. It's a couple hours later. It is a gloomy day here in Massachusetts. It's like cool, and it rained out all day yesterday. You can kind of see, but we needed the rain. It has been so hot and like dry here. We desperately needed the rain, so that is good. It is 11:30, so I don't think I'm gonna have like a breakfast. I think I'm just gonna wait a little bit and have like a big salad. I made salad as a side last night with our dinner, so I think I'm gonna have the rest of that that's in the fridge, add like a little bit more cucumber to it, add a few things. And I also got a rotisserie chicken the other day at BJ's, so I think I'm gonna use that, put that on it. I got a few dressings when I was at the store. I love this Christie's low-fat Zinfandel. It's just like naturally low-fat. It is one of my favorite salad dressings. Also, this Skinny Girl Honey Dijon. It does have aspartame in it, so I don't love it. I think it's got aspartame. Or no, I'm sorry, it has sucralose. Well, same difference. But it is 10 calories for 2 tablespoons. So I like to have it once in a while. We have a little bit left in the fridge, so I try to cut that stuff out, like not a ton of it. I got some Coke Zeros because I've been in the mood for some Diet Coke, so I'm gonna have a Coke Zero with my salad. But generally speaking, we don't have it very often. I try not to have it in like a ton of stuff that we have. So, but it is absolutely delicious. So it is one of like my favorite salad dressings. So I think I'm gonna make a nice big salad and either have like some crackers with it or something, because I'm definitely like need to eat like real food, not just a shake. So my protein shake was 4 points on Weight Watchers, and it's 30 grams of protein, and I forget how many calories it is. Let me see. It is boom, where are you? There we go. Boom, boom. It is, oh my god, now it has me. I had clicked something wrong. It's downloading, trying to download something. Let me see. It has 210 calories. So that's all I've had so far. I've had 2 cups of water. And I've had like 30 ounces, I'm at 30 grams of protein. So I'm definitely gonna be adding like 6 ounces of that rotisserie chicken to my salad. And what I did was for like little salad toppers, I put some walnuts, some cranberries, and some slivered, I guess I was right the first time, almonds. And I just have a little bit of this, and I put that as my salad topper, so that is super yummy. But I have a few things to do around the house, so I think I'll eat probably around noon. I have like some laundry to fold and all of that, and I got some delicious apples that are calling my name that I will probably have with some peanut butter after my lunch or as a snack. So I have some things to do, like I said, around here, but I will check back in with you guys in a little bit. All right, here is my salad with everything I said, except I did 4 ounces of chicken instead of 6. So that is, my lunch was 6 points. I was mistaken and said 4. It was 4 just for the protein powder. Only 2 points for the salad topping on my salad, and this dressing is 0 points as well. Austin, do you like that dressing? So good, right? Austin's having chicken, popcorn chicken, and tater tots. So
honey mustard.
And honey mustard, yes. So far I put 3 servings of veggies because I have 2 servings of lettuce and 1 of cucumbers. I actually think I have more of a couple of cucumbers, but that's fine. And so far I have used 8 of my points. But like I said, I also like to go here. It is 339 calories for my lunch. And I've only had 549 calories, which is not a lot. So let me add my water in, and then I just want to show you the nutrition so far. So far I've had 49 grams of protein, 37 carbs, 6 fiber, 15 sugar, and so on and so forth. But I am mainly focusing on the protein to make sure I hit that protein goal. So I'm going to have some more protein this afternoon, obviously, and then maybe like a protein snack, and then a protein with dinner. So I have not figured out dinner yet. But this is where we are so far throughout the day. I'd like to be a little bit better because usually I have a protein shake and egg whites, but I did not do that today. So that's why I am a little bit further behind, but we will get there hopefully. Hello. It is a few hours later. We had our lunch, and I did a leg workout, which I'm still like shaky from. But I am getting ready to have a protein bar. I have these Pure protein bars. They are pretty good. They're 200 calories, 20 grams of protein, 2 grams of sugar, and I keep them in the fridge. They just like a little, I don't know, they taste a little better in the fridge and cold. So I do not know how many, like I said, it's 200 calories. I don't know how many points on Weight Watchers, but I definitely need to get my, sorry, I hit the button. I definitely need to get my protein in, so we'll see how many points this is. Stacks. But I really don't care, as silly as that sounds, but because I need to get my protein in. That to me is more important than how many points I'm having. Let's see. Let it focus here. If it will focus. There we go. 6 points. Yeah, that's a lot. So I would only have 11 for the rest of the day, which is still pretty good. But let's see, calorie-wise, if we put it in snacks. And now we are up to, which I have to add my exercise in. Oh, it already added in. I gotta add my water. And let's see, my nutrition. So we're up to 69 grams of protein. I don't know why it keeps upping it. It was 135 earlier. If I stick to like 130 or get close to that, I am happy. So we are getting up there, but slowly and surely. So we are going to, I gotta go pick up Layton from camp, but I am going to bring this with me and have this, and then I will figure out dinner. All right, it is a few hours later. I had an apple and a scoop of peanut butter for a snack, and I also had a few saltines that I did not put on camera because I was out running kids around to all the places they need to be. But this is my dinner. I have 5 ounces of grilled chicken, I have rice pilaf, and I didn't measure out the corn because this was like a meal prep, but a little bit of corn. So here are all my numbers for today. In Weight Watchers, I had 1 point remaining. I used 25 points today. I had 4 servings of veggies. I definitely had more water than that, but I just put in the 8 cups. My breakfast was 6 points, which I showed you. The only thing that came up was Chick-fil-A nut granola salad topping, but it was all the same macros, so I just put that in. I had saltine crackers and rice pilaf. There was no, obviously no points for the grilled chicken. Oh, I gotta add the corn. Corn kernels. Half a cup. Oh, I went over a point. That's okay. And my snacks were 9 points because I had that scoop of peanut butter and then that pure protein chocolate. But if you go into MyFitnessPal, that's only 1,500 calories. I did a leg workout today, but I didn't do a ton of cardio. I went for like a quick walk. Sorry, I'm talking quietly because Kevin's sleeping before he has to go into work. So he is on night shift, so I'm just trying to be very quiet. My breakfast was 210. My lunch was 339. My dinner is 4:55, and snacks was 5:30, which was all day. So there is my exercise, and let's check the nutrition. Not exactly where I want to be, but at least it's over 100 grams of protein. So we will work on that. I just need to eat a better breakfast in the morning and along with my protein shake. Once I get those egg whites in, then I definitely hit all of my protein goals. My carbs, I went over just by a little bit, but I'm not worried about that. And everything else was good. So all in all, it was a good day. But that is it for today's video. Like I said, sorry I'm talking quietly, but the kids are downstairs and Kevin is in the bedroom down the hall sleeping before he has to go to work. So I am just being very quiet. But thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you guys liked like the Weight Watchers points plus seeing like your macros and all that, because I think that's really important to track both, not just points, because you can, you know, eat just like fruits and vegetables and all that stuff all day long, which is great, but you're not hitting your protein, which is not keeping you full. So I feel like it's really important to do both. I've been doing this for a couple weeks now, and I really noticed like definition and tone and like my workouts and all of that stuff is like really paying off. So I like doing it this way. So let me know if you guys like it, and if you have any questions about the way I do anything, definitely leave them down below. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.